In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label numbers as greater or less than 10,000 using a simple IF formula. This is perfect when you want a quick, readable result that tells you whether a value is above or below a threshold without doing any extra math. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the formula exactly as follows: equals if, open parenthesis, your cell reference or named range, greater than 10,000, comma, quote, greater quote, comma, if, open parenthesis, the same cell reference, less than 10,000, comma, quote, less quote, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. It should look like this: SIF box letter 1000 greater, if box letter 1000 less. When you've typed it in, press enter. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The first IF checks whether the value in your chosen cell is greater than 10,000. If that's true, the formula returns the word greater. If it's not greater, the formula moves to the second IF, which checks whether the value is less than 10,000. If that's true, it returns less. If the value is exactly 10,000, neither condition is true, and you'll likely see false because no output was specified for the equal case. That's expected with this exact formula. A few important tips so everything works smoothly. Make sure you replace the phrase box letter with the actual cell that holds your number, like A2 or a named range you've already set up. Use straight double quotes around greater and less. Curly or smart quotes copied from documents can cause errors. Commas separate the arguments in most English language setups. If your spreadsheet uses a different list separator, like semicolons, adjust accordingly. Also, confirm that the value you're comparing is stored as a number, not text. If you see the number left aligned or with a little warning indicator, convert it to a number so the comparison behaves correctly. If you're filling this down a column, the references will adjust automatically unless you've locked them. That's normal behavior and helps you apply the same check to multiple rows. Once you press enter, you should immediately see either greater or less based on your data. And that's it. Clean, readable output from a compact, nested IF. If you later decide you want a special label for values equal to 10,000, you can always extend the logic to handle that case as well. For now, this formula gives you a fast way to classify values on either side of your threshold.